Perfect cast. Man, I can't even get this. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's full of herring. No way. No freaking way, dude. I was like, why is this thing so heavy? Bang, 50 herring. Just trying to shake the rest of these herring off my net. Oh, what the heck? Did you guys see that? Was that on camera? What the hell, man? That was on camera. Bro. That would have been so annoying if I just freaking hooked that bird. Man, I feel like that's the cool thing. Oh, again, where the hell is this guy coming from? Bro, I'm getting this guy in the water as soon as I can. Holy crap.
Cast the line, big catches.